Sometimes, on your Android phone, when it's locked, you can see the network carrier name. But in my case, I'm not seeing it right now. If you want to enable that feature, you can. In this video, we'll explain how to enable it on an Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option for Display. Click on Display, scroll down, and you'll find an option called Control Center and Notification Sheet. Just tap on this, and you'll see an option to show carrier when device is locked. Sometimes, this option is turned off, which is why the carrier name isn't showing. If you want, you can enable it. Depending on the brand, the settings might vary slightly. If you're confused, here's what you can do. Go to Settings. At the top, you'll see a Search Settings option. Click on it and search for carrier. When you do, you'll see an option like Show Carrier when device is locked. Tap on it, and you'll reach the right page where you can enable the setting. After that, when your phone is locked, you'll see the network carrier name. That's how you can easily enable this setting. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.